Hey y'all, Ryan Bravo here. Have your insurance premiums gone up this year, even though you haven't, filed any claims or anything like that? Well, you're definitely not alone. Across California and the rest of the country, people are opening up their renewal letters and they're seeing rate hikes. And they're seeing rate hikes that make their jaws drop, quite frankly. So today, what I wanted to do is break down why this is happening, and more importantly, what you can do about it to protect yourself and to protect your wallet. So, that all said, let's dive in. Basically, number one, I want to give you the big picture here. So, first, let's talk about what's really going on. So, there are three big reasons why insurance premiums have really exploded in 2025. Number one is going to be the cost of what's called reinsurance. Insurance companies don't carry all of the risk themselves. They buy insurance too, and that is called reinsurance. And the price on that has skyrocketed over the last few years. When reinsurers raise their prices, guess who ends up paying for it? Yep, that's right, all of us. So, number two is going to be inflation. It costs a lot more money today to rebuild a home, fix a car, or pay for medical care. All those costs are up, materials are up, car claims are up. That means the cost of every claim is more expensive, and insurers are adjusting premiums to reflect that. And then number three, it's going to basically be catastrophes, wildfires, floods, hailstorms, even extreme heat. Weather related events are more frequent and they're more severe. In states like California, Texas, Florida, that means major losses for insurance companies. So, another thing I want to talk about is why you're feeling it now. So, you might be thinking, okay, Ryan, that's great, but I've never filed a claim. Why am I the one being penalized? So, here's the truth of the matter: insurance is a shared risk model. That means you're in a pool with others. And when losses go up across the board, it affects everyone's rates. It's not going to just affect the people that file claims because that's just not feasible. So many companies are also pulling out of high risk areas like California entirely. Florida, we've seen it too. So that means less competition. And when fewer companies are offering coverage, the ones that are left can basically raise prices without much pushback. It's frustrating. I totally get it. But there are still some ways to save. And that's what I want to talk about next. So, what can you actually do about it? That's, again, what I want to talk about here. So, what you can do if your premiums are through the roof, um, here are a few potential tips and some practical ones. Number one, review all of your policies together. Bundling your home, your auto, your umbrella, and even life insurance with the same agency can unlock discounts that a lot of people overlook, quite frankly. Number two, check your deductibles. Raising your deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in, can significantly lower your premium, especially on homeowners policies. That's a big one. Number three, keep your coverage updated. If you've made improvements, installed safety devices, or reduced mileage on your vehicle, those changes may qualify you for discounts and just additional savings. And number four, work with an independent advisor or an agency like mine. We can shop multiple carriers if needed or design custom strategies, including combining, state-like programs like the California Fair Plan with private coverage. There's a bunch of different stuff that we can do to get creative. So we want to make sure you're fully protected without you having to overpay. So, letting all that settle in. Look, I know the news about rising insurance costs can be overwhelming, but here's the good news: you don't have to figure it out alone, right? So, even if you're getting hit with rate increases, let's talk. I'd say my job at the end of the day is to be your advocate, to explain what's going on, review your coverage, and basically to find you the smartest options available right now. So, thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you want a one-on-one review of your policies or anything like that, check the description below. There's a link to book a call. But yeah, until next time, stay protected, stay informed, stay safe.